Hi, I started noticing a new trend emerging in Web3. So we already had play-to-earn games, we had NFTs, we had booms of other stuff. However, a new thing is kind of being born right now, that is social media. It is on a rise with the emergence of CyberConnect and Link3 from CyberConnect. CyberConnect is like the main studio that is building this thing, and Link3 is one of the products, one of the dApps that it is building. It is like LinkedIn for Web3. Basically, it is a social graph. You might not know what a social graph is if you're not into social media at all, but that's basically how social media uses your data. In Web2, everybody has a social graph. That is basically your social identity that you have. So let's say on Instagram, you post some pictures, you comment on other people's pictures, then you have some followers, and then you also follow some people. And that information is all recorded in your social graph. So it's like a network of things that you are all connected to them. And it helps Instagram and Facebook basically to form your digital identity, what you're interested in, and what they are more likely to sell you, basically. And all those cookies, they are also contributing to that. And with your social graph, the social media in Web2 are owning your identity, basically, because you cannot transfer it, you don't have it. If you want to go to another social media, if you want to go to Twitter, you cannot just take your followers that you have on Instagram and say, I now have these followers on Twitter. It doesn't work like that. However, that's where Web3 comes in with the social graphs, and it allows you to transfer your user base from anywhere and basically connect all the platforms to your social graph instead of trying to form every new social graph for each platform. So you have one hub, basically, your social graph, and you connect any kind of applications to it. And Link3 is a social graph. It's your page, one pager. You have a bunch of blocks there. You can insert your NFTs, you can make it all pretty, just to showcase who you are. And using that, you can connect with other people. And this sounds like a cool idea. And if it really works out, it would be very convenient to connect with everybody else in the industry. One of the main utilities is that you can use your Link3 profile and therefore your user base and your social graph to connect it to any kind of dApps that are integrated with Link3. So you can think of it, it's a bit of a grossly oversimplified analogy, but you can think of it as signing in with Google or Facebook into some kind of website. So let's say you go to a website and instead of registering or logging in with a new account, you say sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook or stuff like that. And I wouldn't recommend you to do that in Web2 because basically if you use that, they can Google or Facebook, whatever you use to sign in, they can monitor whatever you do in that app. But if you use a sign-in, it's very quick and easy. So it's a very appealing option, right, to do. And with Link3, you can do the similar thing, but in this case, you would own your own data. One of the cool things is that it is blockchain agnostic. It means that it is not favoring any kind of blockchain. Right now, as far as I know, it is working with Ethereum and Solana-based applications. Link3 is, of course, not the only application that is building this kind of network. And there are a couple of other ones that I can talk about in later on videos. Let me know if you are interested in the comments. And let's get into why I'm talking about Link3 today. Two reasons. One, it's very nicely designed, and the UX is one of the main priorities for social media, I would say. And the second one, it's its campaign with mystery boxes. By participating in the AMAs of projects that are integrated with Link3, you can participate in the giveaway of invite codes, because not everybody can join Link3, you gotta have an invite code. Or you might also win a mystery box, and nobody knows what's in those mystery boxes. But if the social graphs and social media of Web3 are going up, then this is a very good likelihood that the mystery boxes from Link3, one of the main players in the social media of Web3, are going to be quite lucrative. But of course, no speculation on that from my side. I will go to my laptop now to show you the interface a little bit. So here we are on the Link3 website. You can add them to your calendar, Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, whatever. And you can also add them on your calendar right in Link3.
If you click on any of them, you can see the time in your own time zone and a link to how to join. And there is also this claim your NFT badge. You gotta do some certain activities to get that badge. So usually that is to stay a certain number of minutes on that AMA and also join Link3 profile. So just follow it. Here is another one similar, but there, as you could see, there was 1 minute, and here you can see 30 minutes.
One of the other ways you can get a mystery box is by making your profile as pretty as possible. So if you have some cool ideas of how you can make your profile stand out, go ahead, create your profile on Link3, make it pretty, and then submit it for the competition every week or every month. They are selecting a couple of profiles that are going to win a mystery box.
So here is a mystery boxes page. There are only 787 claimed out of 10,000. So you still have time to participate in the AMAs and get some mystery boxes out for yourself. There is a profile, you go, and I'm going to show you mine, how to edit it. It's still not ready, so don't judge it too much yet. And you can add any sections like official links, featured content, but they're quite arbitrary. So my Wests is just your NFT badges that you got from your AMAs attendance. This little article on tips for making the best profile. And at the very bottom, you can see that there is a submit your profile here. And this is a link to a type form. Type form only consists of 2 questions. So the link to your profile and anything you would like to share, like feedback. What you can also do is on CyberConnect Discord, and right on here in the show your Link3 page, channel, sorry, and you can just send a link to your profile here. And that's it. You can also join the waitlist here, but it says do not submit it, and I think this type form is a bit out of date.
If we go into funding right now, there is a very large list. There are 21 investors into CyberConnect, and in total, CyberConnect received $25 million from big funds and VCs such as Multicoin Capital, Animoca Brands, Sky9 Capital, Delphi Digital, Protocol Labs, Tribe Capital, Spartan. I mean, there are many. I will show them just on a screen. There is no really big reason. There is hashed as well to say them out loud. One other interesting piece of information you could find is that Coinlist was one of the first profiles created on Link3. Not speculating on anything, but you know, why would Coinlist just go and create a random profile on Link3, right? Anyways, that's it for this video. If I missed anything, you can let me know in the comments or on Twitter. I will leave the link in the description, and see you in the next one.